Oh dear. I guess I just absolutely fucked up this intro. Let me just do it again. I just I've never fucked up on an intro that bad. Let me just do it again because we want to get some more views into here. Let me just do this again. Right then, there we go. Finally, we got it going way better. So, thank you so much everyone for being here. We got 5 viewers right here at the moment, which is beautiful. Thank you so much to each and everyone for being here. I highly appreciate it. And today, as you can tell by the title and what you're looking at on my screen, I am going to continue with programming and designing and styling Liftsnetwork, because Leon Theo is doing all of the back end things like login, logout, all of those things like Lifts IDs, and all this back end stuff that I'm not really good with, because what I prefer doing is when coding, I just want to have an immediate effect. So with HTML programming, basically, and with CSS, which is basically like the styling for the HTML page, with the press of a button, I can immediately see if it's gonna work, and not just have some like thousands of if else functions and all of that stuff, where you first need to have like thousands of lines of code before anything actually works. So then, today, let's go ahead and check on how Liftsnetwork actually looks at the moment. Make sure you give this video a like, or give this stream a like if you enjoy it. If you want to see more streams, what type of computer do I have? I have a tower computer. It's a self-made computer, and I guess let's go to home. So we now got the pages scrolling, which is really nice. I still do need some more things down here, but that's how it looks right now. It's scrolling really nicely. That is absolutely beautiful. So then we got this cover, which is a sample page of how a lift page will look. So if you press this right here, it doesn't work. It's just a static image, because that is where the map will go, where you can choose a lift from, and it will start from with a world map. Now you can go on search the map and type, for example, Germany, or Mainz RP Germany, or RP Germany, and for example, let's just say I have Mainz RP Germany right here, and this is what it would probably show up, because that is a view of Mainz. And now we got all of those beautiful things right here, which is, for example, the upvote, downvote, and this little indicator, this little number, shows the points you got if you press the upvote button. Basically what it's going to do is it's going to be a full blue button, and if you press the orange button, this one will go like this, and that one will be solid orange. And if you press that one, it will subtract one of those, so it can also go into negative, like if you add bad places or don't provide enough details for it, then this is what is going to happen. So you can upvote, downvote on lifts, that means how good they are, so you can rate the lifts. Then we obviously have all the details in here. The title, you can give your lift a title, but we'll go into that later on. I still need to fix up that text right here because that is nasty looking. It should scroll as well. So we need to fix that, and we're going to do this in this stream. Then we have this little image, which is a placeholder. We also need to add something more in here. So what we need is a comment box and a content box. I have told Ben about this, but he doesn't like it. He thinks that such an index would encourage lift engineers to go on there, and he wants to keep all of his lifts to himself. He wants to keep them secret. And in my opinion, this is kind of wrong, because we all want to, as a lift film, it can sometimes be quite challenging to find the hidden gems and find like the best lifts if you're not familiar with a town, or you don't have that much time to go and explore a town. So you could simply pull out your mobile phone, then type the location you're in right now, and then you know where good lifts are, and that is a perfect thing, in my opinion. And there's also going to be a link for every lift. There's going to be a pretty much a short link, which is going to be trz.moo.com, and then it says lift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, depending on the lift ID the lift has, and you can add this under your videos on YouTube. And if you add this under your videos on YouTube, anyone who wants to can go on this page on Liftsnetwork, see where the lift is, maybe visit it themselves, and of course leave a rating, create an account, all of those nice things. That is just basically what we want to get done right here. Hello Leon, thank you so much for being here, I really appreciate it. You can always comment on that one. You can add your own videos, also like a self-promotional thingy. When you add your own videos, other people are going to see it, and also then your YouTube channel can get some more subscribers that way. That's like a win-win for everyone, I guess. So we also will have some kind of like security mechanisms in here. So if you create an account, let me just go right here. Yeah, that is not on my version, that's on Leon and Thea's version. I don't have this fancy version yet, where it switches around depending on which one you type, but or on which one you selected. But if you're going to put your email in there and your YouTube URL, so YouTube is actually a required URL, so that we can verify that you're not a lift engineer just looking out for lifts that you want to modernize, like people you want to terrorize with offers for lift modernizations. We're basically going to have a system in place where you can we get a code, which is just a one-time code. You'll get this via email, and then you have to put this code onto your about page on YouTube. I will go ahead, or a moderator will go ahead, look on your YouTube page, see if the code is the right one, and then verify your account. That way you can you can see like the entire map. So basically you can't see the map without being logged in and a verified member. So that is like a security mechanism, but it should always work within like 12 hours or 24 hours probably. Right, so that was the discover page. We still need comments right here, and we need I'm not sure if the API. I'm not really. I don't really fancy buying expensive API keys. Then we got the gallery, which is, I guess, going to happen. Then we got search, which is not implemented yet. Search is going to be just probably like YouTube's search, where you can simply look up users. You can look up locations. No, not locations. You can look them up on the Discover page. But if you, I won't pay it. So no, we're not doing APIs. I'm not asking for you to pay it. That would be disgusting of me. Hello, Diva Elena HCS. I'm sorry for butchering your name. So I guess I'm sure we're going to come up with something. Then the search is going to be for users. You can look up users. You can look up locations. Oh no, you can look up locations right here, but you can search for a title. You can search for a type of lift. So if you, for example, look up for Rheinstahl, then it's going to show you all Rheinstahl lifts in a list, and you can click on the lift, and then it will immediately show the discover page with the lift already selected. A help is going to be help, obviously. It's a lift. The Elena HCS. I'm sorry, it's a lift. We want to speak British English in here. It's a lift. LIFT. Oh dear, what's happened here? My goodness me. No. That wasn't like that a minute ago. Montgomery A series. Never heard of that one. Oops, I just accidentally pressed on the report because there's no way to go on this YouTube channel anymore. That is a stupid function that is a nice function that YouTube annoyingly removed, but so I assume you are from the US if you have Montgomery lifts, or are they a thing somewhere else in the world? I don't know. Let me just have a healthy sip of Coke. I can't get the lid anymore. There we go. So we want to fix that up. Also on my lifts, that's basically like the page where we'll see all the lifts that you've ever created, that you've ever edited. So that is basically going to be an overview thingy. And beautiful, Leon Theo, beautiful. You got to get a third monitor if you don't have one already. Don't already have one. My goodness me. Then you can sort by recent changes, most upvotes, most comments, and so on. And then you can add a new lift. Then this beautiful page is going to pop up. You can obviously search the map, so you can jump. So you can obviously jump to a location a lot quicker. So then, for example, we got the title. Let me just call this I'm going to call this, let me just call it 90s Otis lift. We got 1995 lift company Otis, obviously. We've got lift model, which is a Otis 2000. I'm not even sure if that joke. Yes. I'm not even sure if they installed Otis 2000s back then. Never mind. I still need to fix that up. There's 1 year too much, so it's still 1995, I guess. Floors, number of floors, got 5 floors. It's been modernized in 2015, not 2015, 2015. Buttons replaced with Schaefer. And the opening hours are from to Saturday 9 to 5 in the afternoon, and on Sunday closed. Warnings, let's say door sensors not working, and then we can add a imager or a YouTube link right here, and we can caption it, and then we can add. Then we can basically press add more, and then another box is going to pop up under here, and another one, so you can add like 5 pictures when adding the lift. And after that, we would need to edit it in order to add more pictures. Then we got account, which is currently that one. Let's go to account.html, which looks like this now. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So now that one is a picture by popular demand of Lee and Theo. We now made it as a picture because before I made it with CSS in some very weird way. Now it's a picture, and then we got report, edit, and follow. So you can follow people, you can unfollow them. Beautiful. Such an old computer. My computer. Do you mean my computer or what? You got all the things about the person. Then your YouTube name is supposed to be clickable. Then you can see the lifts that the person has edited. No, not edited, but added. And you can see basically how many upvotes they got, how many comments they got, how many views they got, and when they have been last modified. You can click on them and they'll go to that page basically. Look at this taskbar, guys. No, look at my windows, guys. Just look at those beautiful windows. Just look at that. Look at those windows right here. They don't even have an X button. You need to press that one twice for it to close. Isn't that beautiful? Of course it is. Let me just go ahead and show you something even better. Was it Winver? See? Windows 10. Windows 10 with beautiful windows. So that is a that computer is, I guess, from 2017 or something. What? I don't quite get what Leon Theo just wrote me, but he wrote something about show it. Am I missing something? Am I missing? I'm not sure. Probably I'm missing like an in joke or something, but I'm not sure. Well, I'm definitely missing something. So I'm not sure what it's supposed to be to the stream. Yeah, I'm showing it to the stream. I'm not sure what he means by that. What is so WIP about this, or does he mean VIP? I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. Let me just see what he writes. La, 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 la. Everything that is displayed already works. Well, that is beautiful. Then oh dear, I lost my send button. My send button has gone somewhere. I don't even know where it is. If you now go on, what is that? It's my lifts. We definitely need to fix that one. Add lift is okay. That one is okay. As well, that one is still okay. And let's go to. We had some other page. I can't even. Don't even know where the other page is. Account.html. See, I'm missing the comment box. So let's go into brackets and there we go. Let's look at those beautiful pages right here. Oh, it's called what regweight? Not regweight, but cms.html. Let's just go to cms.html. cms.html. So you basically get a image viewer for each and every lift, which you can basically, if you're right here, it's going to be a button, and it says how much media there is, and then it's going to take you to a page like this, where you can do it like that. It's obviously I need to shrink it down a bit. Then you can see the other pictures, the other media you got, and you can basically have a bigger view of it. and it will also show you the title of it and the lift ID. There's also going to be an admin panel counterpart, which is basically a overview of every single file that is linked, so you can unlink them if there's like something inappropriate, something sexual, something, anything that is not wanted on Liftsnetwork. It can be removed over that platform. I need to take a breath. Right. Let's go ahead and get my my comment box back. I'm not sure where it's gone. So we are on account.html. That is what it all looks like, and that's comment. Where is that? I have no idea where it is. So many features. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh dear, div class limiter. I don't even know what the limiter did. I'm so bad at everything. Comment is already there. Why wouldn't YouTube like it if you use smileys? You used one as well. They actually have a smiley button. So we've got limiter, form placeholder. What? Let's just look for the limiter, where the limiter is gone. Limiter, there we go. Position fixed. Margin left, margin top. Let me just get it to 8 pixels. Name color for standard users. So default should be that blue. Let me just look up which blue it is. It is called Deep Sky Blue. And now I'm lost where my cursor was, so that is bad. I can't even put a marker right here, like a notepad. Anyways, let's see if my bar is back. Scroll out a bit and see if it's somewhere. Oh, look at that! There we go. And what is this? That is my follow button. What? Look at that. That is so weird. Just look at how this text gets out of here. I'm not sure how to fix it. Probably it's not even we are not even able to fix it. I don't even want to fix it at the end of the day. So we definitely want to have a look how we're going to get this back. And there we go. That is simple as that. Just a reload, and it's already back. 90, 100, and no. Where's my bar gone? Ooh, that is weird. Just look at that. It's gone. Why is it gone? I see the issue. It's fixed. We don't want to have it fixed. Limiter, it's fixed. Yeah, I see that. We want to have a relative. Save the entire thing and see where it is. And no, we don't want to print the page. And it's still there, so that's good. It's new verified. I'm going to send you everything, I guess. So you can work with the new CSS if you need to. I'm not sure. Okay, so let me just move that send button a bit to the left. That's way. Oh, look at that! My follow button is back as well. Oh, that's what's going on. My follow button is following my screen on X-axis for some reason. I've got no idea why it's doing that. Let me tell you that I don't have the slightest idea why that is going on. So I guess I'll just move that send button over, and where's my file overview gone? There we go. I'm not sure where it is. It's definitely not here. It's on... not ad-libbed, it's on account. I'm so stupid. Verified. Verified is right here. That one, basically, those two. These are the verified lines. Hello, Hoeing Schindler. Please, Hoeing Schindler, please answer me that question. Why do you keep registering on Liftsnetwork even though I've banned you? Please tell me what you did not understand about me banning you. I just got a message on my phone. Connection timeout. That is beautiful to see that. What did he do? Basically, he just kept annoying everyone. So, and he didn't go with rules. He re-uploaded other people's content without their permission, and we ended up banning him. And then he created another account, so we banned this one as well. We created another one, terminated that one as well. Then I finally ended up giving him an IP ban. People can change, but he didn't change. I told him to stay away for at least this year. And after that we can talk about this, but it's still a month to go. Even more than a month to go. So he now tried creating another account, and apparently it's not changed, because if he had changed he would have sent me a sincere email telling me that he's sorry, and that he admits all of his mistakes. But due to me reaching out to him saying that his behavior needs to stop like that, and then he still continues with it and then creates another account to evade it, I don't see that he's changing. So he's banned. So we've got right here is that's basically the verified line, but I'm going to send everything to the NCS. HTML and CSS changed a lot. So what we want to have a look is the send button. Send. And there we go. We got margin left. Let's give it a 700 pixel margin. It's not doing anything, so that's good. 70 pixels, is that doing anything? It's not doing a single thing. Let's give it a 0, and let's give it a 1 pixel margin and see if that's doing it. Let's give it a 7 pixel margin. Still not doing a single thing, so I'm now kind of scared that I ruined something else. Let me just undo this and background color, let me just do blue, just as a test to see if it's actually affecting that button. It is affecting that button, so I'm not sure. There's something going on. Let's get this back to dark orange and do maybe left equals 5 pixels. Oh no, I guess minus 40 pixels. Let me just try that one. It's still not moving the motherfucker. Is there the limiter or something? It should still go over here as I'm doing negative ones. Minus 400. The motherfucker isn't moving. I've lost so many viewers, so at 2 viewers, I may just wait for 5 minutes. If there's no one joining until then, I'm going to end the stream. Oh yeah. What am I doing wrong? We'll just get rid of a margin entirely. It's not doing a single thing. Why is the motherfucker not moving? Is it in another class maybe? Div class send. No, it's not. It's the only class it's in. And the other one is limiter, and it doesn't make slightest bit sense. It doesn't make slightest bit sense to me, at least. Probably as someone watching this, and it's entirely. Oh no! 2 viewers again. No, please get this back up. Oh, that is. No, we don't want this on 2 viewers. I don't know. We got to find a way. And probably something I'm completely oblivious of. I'm completely oblivious of. Position. Fixed. Let me just try that one. And where is the button? It's over here. Beautiful. Not so much. Let's do relative. Maybe that's what. That's the issue. Relative. Save it, and it's over there. So why is it always going to the right of my screen? Yeah, that is the issue I'm facing. It's always moving with my screen for some reason. It's always following the very right edge. That is extremely weird. Got no explanation for this whatsoever. Let's get rid of float. What? I got no idea, and I'm gonna end the stream in 2 minutes because we're on 2 viewers, and I'm not streaming with 2 viewers. First world problems. Cursor pointer. Oh my goodness. How can I get this into the middle? I'm going to search for this. HTML object always on right side of screen. Maybe that's. Position relative, min width. I don't have any of that here, so I got no idea what that is. Let's try the position again. So I see that for some reason, as soon as it's on relative, it's doing sod all. Buttons are very weird, let me tell you that. 1 minute remaining, and oh, now we've got a third viewer. Please stay on here. Thank you for being here. Really appreciate it, and real appreciate it. And let's just move this back to 30. That's not what I wanted to do. We got a send right here, so we want to move it. Nope, I'm ending the stream because we can't keep up with the viewers. It's always going back to 2. There's nothing going on. The last person's written like 10 minutes ago. That's just very off-putting for me. Yeah. Please get at least someone in here. That is absolutely... Let's see, when was the last? The last one is actually 10 minutes ago. That is bad. That is extremely bad. And with 40 people having seen the stream, we still got 2 viewers. That is the worst I've had in a very long time. So I'm going to end this. And I guess that's going to be it then.